Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to introduce a new upgradable function available on the Autotool ST, Autotool SE, Autotool SM, and Autotool SO series, the Renew FOB function. This function supports renewing a wide range of Honda FOBs, from older generations to the latest models, ranging from simple key renewals via the frequency to more complex ones that require connecting directly to the circuit board. First, let's connect the accessory kit to the Autotool SM device. Select Advanced Functions. Smartkey Advanced. Honda. Renew FOB. I'll place this FOB here to see if the device can read the key ID. The device provides very detailed connection instructions right on the screen. Select Continue. Read. The device has successfully read all the information from this FOB, including the part number, HEX code, key ID, FOB status, and even suggestions on which motorcycle models this FOB is compatible with. This is super helpful, as some new technicians often struggle to identify which motorcycle a specific FOB belongs to. As you can see, the key ID read out is completely accurate. Now, let's try another FOB. Just like the previous one, the device has retrieved all its information. Regarding the key status, this key has already been registered to a motorcycle. Now, I'll tap Unlock. And just like that, the FOB has been renewed. Let's read it again. The status has now changed to Smartkey has not been registered. This means we can now reuse it to register to another bike. Notice how these two keys look identical from the outside. Without looking at the internal circuit board, it's impossible to tell them apart or know which model they belong to. But this function helps us identify that this K1NV0 key can be used for SH mode, SH, and Forza 2020 to 2021 models. For newer key types, the process is pretty much the same. Place the key here and select Red. The software has read the info for this key as well. It works with newer models of PCX, Forza, ADV, Winner, SH, and SH mode. Since this key is currently locked, we'll tap Unlock to open it up. Once unlocked, press Read again to check the status. The status has now changed to Unlocked. As for FOBs like this one, we need to connect directly to the circuit board to read and renew them. Let's select this menu option. You'll need to connect to the FOB circuit board as shown here, targeting the designated test points. If you purchase the optional key holder accessory, you can simply place the circuit board inside, no need to hold it by hand, just snap it in place. Once connected, select Continue. Select Unlock. And that's it. The unlocking process, or Renew FOB, is complete. Thank you for watching. To upgrade this function on your device or to purchase a new unit, please contact me via the WhatsApp hotline listed below. Goodbye.